Hey, what's up? It is Monday. It is January 3rd, and I have not made a video lately. What I have been up to lately is I am training for a marathon run. I know you're like, oh my gosh, 26.2 miles. Yes, that's what I'm going to train for. A little background is I ran in high school for a little while. I was pretty good, but I don't think I had good training and stuff back then, and didn't know much about good nutrition like I do now. So I am putting that all together with good nutrition, and I am following a program for a marathon, and we are taking it day by day. Just got done today doing 8 miles for a long run, and it went pretty well, an hour and a half. But it's also here in Michigan where it was 27 degrees and there was ice and snow on the ground. And so that kind of slows me down a little bit. Yeah, I am on day 3 of training for a marathon. So I'm hoping to run a marathon this summer, possibly in the fall. I'm going to do road races along the way of like 5Ks, 10Ks, and just I want to get back out into the racing world. I want to just, I'm enjoying running right now. My cholesterol is high. You want to know what? I'm finding an outlet, something that I used to love a long time ago, and now I'm enjoying it again as an older adult at age 40. So basically, yeah, I'm going to try to do some competition this year in 2022, also run a marathon. So I'll be making a lot of videos of my journey on with racing and running, and check out my my shorts on YouTube, because I make a lot, because they're only 15 seconds. I make a lot of little shorts and stuff. So if you have not already did that, that might be fun for you to watch. And I talk a little bit about stuff and whatnot. But anyways, today I just got done with the 8, so now I am going to start some weights. I have shoulders today, and then after that we're gonna drink water, eat healthy tonight, and just stretch a lot and just be ready for tomorrow's run. So anyways, with this program that I'm running, I am doing 6 days and 1 day off. So, but my body can handle it. So that's what I'm doing. And am listening to my body the whole time. So like if I feel like I need an extra rest day, I'm gonna do it too. So that's a huge thing. Listen to your body, and it will help out. But anyways, I got to get my weights going, and then I'm gonna hit the showers because I didn't shower after my run because I'm gonna do weights, and so I'm ready to take a shower. So anyways, take care. God bless. Love you guys, and I hope that you're having an awesome Monday. Get out there, crush your health and fitness goals, and hopefully I motivate you to do so. And if you're ever looking for any workouts at home, check out my links. I'm not going to push them, but check out my links, and we have lots of programs. Or leave me a comment, and maybe I can help you get going on something else. I don't know. But anyways, I'm here to help motivate and keep people accountable if they want me to. But anyways, take care. God bless. Love you guys. And stay tuned for my shoulder workout. Bye.
down. You can't give people just a visual show. You need to give them a muscular show. Come on, like really working the weights. The idea by lifting heavier is employing bigger muscles, right? That's what this is all about. So keep your chest lifted. Nice.